Hey, you baby. You're nice and warm. I don't even know if you guys have seen this yet. I don't think you guys have. I did go ahead and buy a Porsche Macan. But the main reason to buy this was because it's a good snow car. Should we hop out and see what it's looking like? It's getting a little deep. I'm trying to go out now so that when it gets really bad, it's not that bad. Look how good this thing looks. It looks so cool in black, right? I really like this car. It drives really, really nice. A lot of people sleep on these Macans, man. I'm not gonna lie. I did put some new wheels on it. You guys can refer back to my YouTube shorts. I did show this on YouTube shorts. I do a lot of like the mods and stuff on there. And obviously on my social media and whatnot, like the IG, TikTok. All right, I think we're actually gonna put it into this off-road mode for a sec. Kind of like off-road mode. Does its thing. Dude, this thing is such a beast. It's like, it actually blows my mind how good this thing is in the snow. Hercules! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Hercules! I love the snow, man. Let's make sure the car's warm before I start ripping it. Yeah, we'll let it warm up. Groupie hoes on my dick and they do what I say so. But I ain't with that shit. Cuban Jesus beats around my neck and look like 30 pence. My bad, y'all. I like listening to music. I know you guys want to probably hear the car though, but man, what can I say? I like listening to my music, bro. Oh, I did tune this. Makes like over 300 now. It's actually pretty cool. All right, we'll get a nice manji going. Dude, it's so easy to catch an all-wheel drive, bro. It's like the easiest fucking type of car to drive in the snow. Like a lot of you guys be having it dumb easy. Put me in the gas, I'm popping the shit, cause I never had it. I pick up a brick and then I hit traffic. Straight up, bro. Cause I'm really just fucking takeovering out here, bro. Bring back takeovers, bro.
Like the dude, it just looked like the dude just like drove off into nothing. You could see the road he turned out to.
It's too much.
Is that a fucking tractor trailer up there, or is that just like a box truck?
Yeah, dude, watch how he just disappears in the snow, bro. It's a moving truck.
Or a robber.
That dude is, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh yeah, I'm gonna fucking get busy right here. Oh yeah. Dude, that shit is like so fucking retarded. Time to send this bitch a little. OG Shafkin who? Fuck yeah, bud. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm getting bendy as fuck. Oh my God, this shit is fucking sick, bro. This was such a good purchase for me, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, this shit's crazy.
Dude, I bombed that whole fucking 2-lane back there. All right, we are on the road. I'm getting really comfortable with it right now. So it looks like you guys are in for a treat. This car is amazing in this. I know I was just talking about it, but this car is actually like perfect for this condition. It's like what this shit is made for. And people hate on the 4-cylinder, but honestly, this is so much fun with the 4-cylinder. You guys are just fucking TikTok brain rotted. You guys, a lot of you guys have a bunch of TikTok brains and you need the fucking best of everything. But one day you guys will understand when you finally have even the funds yourself to get something like this, that you don't need a top model in order to have a good time. Oftentimes you have more fun with the lower models because you can care almost less about it.
Only made sure I was eating, pretty that still nigga, I be recent. Get her nails done, still trying for the future. Baby, we ain't that, no, we ain't this. All that fuck, I don't do no kiss. Bitch ain't shit words of mine, niggas all in
my missions. I done hit more shit than Mike Tyson.
Get pop, nigga, I ain't doing no fight.
Fucking on bitch, I'm doing no right. Car too fast, I ain't dropping no light. I hit the gas, then I pull up, I'm on their ass. I just took a year out.
That chopper go through shit, I call it a cutter.
I went bought a new whip, I went bought another. The bugger to grab it down. Ain't no grabbing down. But the pay with it, I paid for. And it's new Mercedes. I'm a heavy hitter like Javante Davis. Dude, everything. It's so much fun, bro. Watch. Fourth gear fucking banger. Holy shit, dude. That got my adrenaline going, bro. Yeah, it might be better. I mean, we can definitely manji the whole thing. Dude, this guy's got to move over or something, bro. Running around my cock out over here. Dude, it's actually a whiteout. Holy shit. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but here, go to the top of this hill first, and then we'll stop up there. Because we're gonna have like no momentum.
took my heart. That's when we fell apart. Cause we both thought that love lasts forever. Lasts forever.
Baby's driving me crazy. You're way too beautiful, girl.
That's why
It'll never work. You had me suicidal, suicidal when you say it's over. Damn, all these views. Want you to just not there for me.
Passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to lean out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub, a scrub isn't that
Whoa, we're spinning so much. All right, well, this is a fucking fun time, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. This is like amazing. Exactly what I love to do, bro. Just an endless amount of drifting. I am gonna go home right now though, because it's starting to get a little bit deep and it's probably not the safest thing to be out and about right now. So I'm gonna turn traction on for one sec, because this is a really sketch little road right here. But yeah, dude, this car is amazing. Like, I love this thing. This car is like actually everything I could have wanted in a winter daily car. No cap. Now we're gonna stop under here real quick because I do just want to wipe off my windscreen. My heart can make a V. Yeah, 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 yeah. When I am with you.